So Nicholas Lee's reporting Princess Beatrix is your elected American boyfriend speaking and your elected Memphis boyfriend speaking. Now I want to share a little Christmas magic with the President of the United States, that is President Barack Obama, since he did visit Memphis, Tennessee in 2011, and we get so much negative news at times, directed to the President of the United States from Memphis politics. But I have a gift for you, Mr. President, in conjunction with Sasha and Malia Obama. It's the White House role, it's the White House Republican of the United States. It's called the false agenda of President Barack Obama in Memphis. I wonder when history is written in the next 100 or 200 years, would they be looking for the fossils of President Barack Obama? At any rate, President Barack Obama, I would like to wish you a magical Christmas as a descendant of Victorian Village, College Chapel Historic District. And of course, I wonder would they be looking for the fossils of Nicholas Pegues as well, also known as the governor of the United States Congress 2014, and of course Nicholas Pegues, also known as Princess Beatrix, elected Memphis boyfriend. That is my Christmas gift, one of many Christmas gifts I will be giving to the White House, 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, as a descendant of Victorian Village, College Chapel Historic District. Merry Christmas to everyone at the White House, and we love you, Mr. President. Memphis politics loves you, whether you're a Democrat or Republican. Nicholas Pegues reporting. Princess Beatrix is your elected American boyfriend speaking, and say hi to Sasha and Malia Obama. But wait a minute, Mr. President, this is our gift to you. Everyone at the White House, is keeping this hush hush. Nicholas Pegues reporting. Thank you, Mr. President.
Air Force One coming into Memphis, Tennessee. Nicholas Pegues reporting. Welcome President Barack Obama to Memphis, Tennessee. Air Force One. Nicholas Pegues here reporting, and Air Force One has landed here in Memphis, Tennessee. Welcome President Barack Obama. President Barack Obama here in Memphis. Nicholas Pegues reporting. Nicholas Pegues reporting. Presidential motorcade. President Barack Obama in Memphis, Tennessee. Nicholas Pegues reporting, waiting on arrival of former President George W. Bush here in East Memphis. He's reporting. CNN, our reporter on Memphis. Nicholas Pegues reporting. CNN, our report. Nicholas Pegues reporting. Prince Harry here in Memphis, Tennessee, and of course, Princess Beatrix. I am your elected American boyfriend. Promoted on Facebook. Nicholas Pegues reporting. Here he comes. Prince William in Memphis. Right behind him, Nicholas Pegues reporting. CNN icon of Memphis. There he is. Nicholas Pegues reporting. Princess Beatrix is your elected American boyfriend. Documenting this. It was Prince Harry. Awesome, awesome.
Something makes me so happy.
Nicholas Pegues reporting.
All right.
And here we are in Memphis, Tennessee. Nicholas Pegues reporting. Documenting Prince William and Prince Harry on Nicholas Pegues. God save the Queen. And Princess Beatrix, I am your elected American boyfriend. Only on Nicholas Pegues. CNN icon of Memphis.
Excuse me.